comfortable temperature in the garage. Now let's see what it's like by the time we get to work. Okay, I am here at work and the car is reading -4, which is 1 degree colder than what my phone weather app was telling me for today. So now I have no idea if that is the high or the low. Let's hope it's the low. That's pretty cold, but not as cold as it will get here in Minnesota. So it's just really cold for December. But anyways, happy Thursday, friends.
Hello, I am back again. It's Crystal with Factor Girl, and it is Thursday, December 4th, our 4th day of Vlogmas. So welcome back, everyone. I got a nice little cute flyaway right there. Still there. But anyways, I hope you have all had a great day today. I am still trying to warm up from this morning. When I went to work today, it was like negative something. I think -5 by the time I got into the office and -4 while I was driving. It was just so cold and very windy. Now it's warmer, but I think it's 11 degrees, but I'm sure it feels like whatever, 2, and we're gonna hit back to the negatives again tonight, so it'll be really chilly tomorrow morning again. I like it better when it's warmer and we get snow, so I think there's snow on the way, so maybe we'll get some pretty scenes this weekend while I'm home working and knitting and decorating. That's my plan for the weekend, to finish decorating. So maybe there'll be a tree next to me maybe by Saturday, not tomorrow. We'll see. Maybe. Who knows? So anyways, I hope you all had a great day, and I want to show you a couple things, and then we'll open up Advents, and then I have to get to work on doing some knitting. I gotta get caught up on the shawl, but making progress slowly, but making progress. I wanted to show you the gray fiber that I dyed up last night. I'm calling it Silver Lining. It turned out really pretty. I showed you the sparkly version last night, but this is Frosted Petals otherwise. So this is on Rambouillet, and I'm all out of my Rambouillet now. So I did a Targhee. I did this gray to complement it. What I'll do is I will apply these singly and then apply them single, and then I will apply them together. So then we'll spin them single and then ply them together. That's what I meant to say. So that doesn't sound right. So then they'll come together, but I think they complement each other really nicely. So that'll be really pretty. There's a little bit of darks in here too. It was fun. So those turned out well. I wanted to show them to you so you could see them too. So I caked up yesterday's color, and then that will come next. But this is where I'm almost done with section 2. And it's this really pretty little lace detail here. So that's what that looks like. And then I lost it, but with day 3, I'm going to do a garter section. And then with day 4, I have another textured section planned. My plan is to work on this tonight. And then I do have to also get this going. And then I forgot to grab it, but I also caked up some yarn for a sock too. Tonight I'm wearing my Midori shawl. I've been wearing this since I left the house this morning. I haven't taken it off at all. It's keeping me very cozy. It's fingering and suri held together, so it's really nice and warm. And then my sweater is also fingering and suri. No, this is mohair held together too. And this is my delphinium sweater. I love this pattern. I have 2 versions of this. I have this blue color, and then I have another purple version, and it's just so cozy. I absolutely love it. So a chilly day like today, it was the perfect thing to be wearing. So keeping me nice and warm. But let's open up some Advents and then we will get on for the rest of the evening. I need to go still have dinner yet tonight and going to dye a couple of colors up real quick and finish working on some knitting. I had a call tonight with this young college student that I have been mentoring during her senior year here, and she's goes to school in western Minnesota, and her father asked if I would work with her to talk about career stuff and helping her work on interviewing and just answer questions for her. So helping her get started in her career. She's a communications and marketing major and she's awesome. I'm so excited for her. Has a new opportunity. We were just talking about that might be her first career type job. So I'm looking forward to hearing how things go for her next week, and I wish her all the best. She's the best. So any company that gets her is going to be very fortunate. But let's go ahead and open up our next group of Advents here. So we have, I'll do the House of a la Mode again. So we'll do another yarn Advent here. Ooh. And see what color we have today. Oh, this is pretty. I like this. Oh, this is very pretty. Very rich. So this gets to be like a little bit more of a darker rosy pink. And again, with the speckles, Heather is the speckle queen. She has always been so good at this with that. I would love to spend a day with her in her dye studio. I discovered Heather's yarn for the first time, I think it was in like 2017 through Instagram, and she was just dyeing at that time. Now she also has a yarn shop, and someday I will get back out to Portland again so I can go visit the shop and spend an afternoon with her. But her yarns are just so yummy. I still have a few in my stash, but many of them I knit up and they all became sweaters or cowls, and they are treasured. They're ones I won't part with because the yarn bases that she used are just fantastic. I do still have one set that's over there that is a DK and mohair. It's this gorgeous like jade green, like a lighter jade green, not that really dark color, but that I bought during COVID time, 2020. I loved getting her packages. She had the best wrapping, how she would wrap everything up, and her sweet notes that she always includes. But I still have that, and I always like will pull it out like I'm gonna start something with it, and then I'm like, no, I can't. It's too good. It just needs. I still want to look at it, but someday it will be used. But for right now, I just like to look at it. It's so pretty. All right, so we will do Cape May fiber, and today, the song of the day, or the shade for the day, is The Lion Sleeps Tonight. So I will open up 4, and let's see what this color looks like. Oh, there's a little bit of tape on here. Ooh, this is a fun one too. I love how both these two totally different dyers and totally different types of products, but they are very much pairing well together. So this is called The Lion Sleeps Tonight. I love this too. Pinks and orange and red. This will be really pretty all spun up. Oh, I really hope I have some time this weekend to start spinning these. I don't want to get too far behind. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Oh, and today I got an email from Golden Hour Knitwear. I have been doing her fiber club for the whole year, and absolutely amazing. I wonder if I don't think I have anything right here I have it spun, some of them spun up, but they're in another part of my room because I'm knitting shawls with them. But I 100% forgot that I had ordered a fiber box from her. And all of a sudden I got this tracking number and I was like, huh, I wonder what this is, because it's not time for another monthly fiber release. So what am I getting? And then I finally looked at it more closely and I was like, oh, bonus. So that'll arrive sometime next week, and it's like a limited one that'll open up for over a few courses of days. So we'll open that up later. So we'll get like all kinds of fun things coming. But other than that, I'm going to go find dinner for the evening and start knitting, and also start dyeing a new colorway. And I'll share that with you tomorrow, maybe, if I get it done tonight. Since it's already after 7, I may not get it done until tomorrow. That may get pushed off later, but I have some clips throughout the day that I will share with you. I did some yarn winding today, and I'll show that to you too. So anyhow, thanks for being here. It means a lot to me. I love all of your comments, and I will be back more, and I'll have more to share this weekend. It's always hard during the week when I'm at work all day, like so many of us, and you know how it is. Like, you go to work and it's dark, you come home and it's dark, and it's just a lot happening. This weekend will be good. I'll have more to share, and I'll have a lot more to add to the pattern, and we'll just keep chugging along. So anyways, thank you again for being here. It means the world to me. Share, subscribe, and leave me any comments and ask any questions. Have a great rest of your evening. Bye, everybody.